In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute all participants in a Microsoft Teams meeting. Whether you're hosting a large presentation or classroom session, having that ability can be crucial for maintaining order and ensuring that everyone can hear the main speaker clearly. So, let's dive right into the steps you need to follow to mute all participants effectively, helping you manage your meeting environment like a pro. First, ensure you're either initiating the meeting or that you possess the role of a presenter. This is important because only the organizer or designated presenters have the capability to mute participants. Once you're all set and the meeting is underway, direct your attention towards the meeting controls toolbar, which is usually located near the bottom of the screen. If you're not immediately seeing it, try moving your mouse or tapping on your screen if you're using a touchscreen device, and it should pop right up. Next, look for the Participants icon, which resembles two or more people standing side by side. Click on it to open the Participants pane. This area is crucial because it provides you with a list of everyone currently in the meeting. It also gives you the tools you need to manage various settings related to participants, such as muting, spotlighting, or even managing permissions. With the Participants pane open, your next step is to locate the More Options button, generally represented by 3 horizontal dots. You'll find this option near the top right of the pane, providing various settings to manage your meeting more effectively. Go ahead and click on that. Now, a host of options will be revealed to you, and among them, you should see the Mute All option. Before you choose it, just keep in mind that clicking this will silence all participants immediately, so be sure to give them a brief heads up if necessary. It's just a good practice to keep everyone comfortable and aware of what's happening. After clicking Mute All, a confirmation prompt may appear, especially if you've got a large number of attendees. Simply confirm your choice. Once that's done, all participants will be muted, allowing the primary speaker or yourself to share information without interruptions. As a quick tip, even once you've muted everyone, participants will have the ability to unmute themselves if needed. This means it's generally a good idea to remind them to stay muted unless they need to speak, especially in larger meetings where background noise can be disruptive. And there you have it, a seamless way to manage and mute everyone in your Microsoft Teams meeting. This technique can help keep your gatherings productive and focused. I hope you found this guide helpful, and you're now ready to run smooth Teams meetings, effortlessly muting participants when needed. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.